Small balcony, big dreams. Let's make it bloom. Beat. 60 seconds, tiny jungle. Win 1, vertical planters for instant green. Go up, not out. Win 2, mix herbs and flowers for scent and color. Win 3, fairy lights, cozy at night. Instant ambience, zero effort. Win 4, multi-use furniture saves space. Hide clutter, keep comfort. Win 5, a mirror doubles depth and light. Tiny space, big feel. I'm Albert. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Tiny garden, big vibes. I bet you didn't know your plant might be drowning, not starving. Fix it in 30 seconds. Right, quick truth. Too much water kills more plants than too little. New gardeners see dry soil and panic, then they flood it. Tip 1, stick your finger in the soil up to the second knuckle. If it's damp, don't water. Tip 2, use pots with drainage holes. Use a saucer, nobody likes soggy roots. Tip 3, learn your plant's vibe. Succulents need less. Herbs want regular light drinks. Always water in the morning where possible. So roots breathe through the day. Small habit changes stop root rot before it starts. Your plants will reward you with strong growth. I'm Albert. Try these today and watch the difference. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. This is why you need plants that survive busy lives. Meet 3 that just won't quit. Perfect for beginners. Number 1, snake plant. Water once a month. Low light. It laughs at neglect. Number 2, ZZ plant. Almost zero care. Indirect light. Stores water like a champ. Number 3, pothos. Fast grower. Tolerates shade. Looks lush even when you forget it. All 3 thrive on forgetful owners. Small apartments. Your unkillable trio. Snake, ZZ, pothos. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Hey, it's Albert. Everybody wants bigger pepper harvests. Looks good, right? Am I the only one who used the wrong pruning? Been there. Try this one cut instead. Snip the top bud just above a leaf node. Encourages side shoots and double the fruit. Do it early in the season. Keep plants fed and watered. And watch peppers multiply. One neat cut, massive payoff. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.